So first, check the appliances provided, like the fridge, to see if they work properly. Take a look at the workmanship to ensure everything meets the standard. Press the switches. You can also try opening the windows to see if they're smooth, and check the floor for any defects or items lying around. Try switching them on to check for any noises. Inspect the ceiling to see if it's neatly done and whether the walls have any bumps or imperfection. If you notice any issues, disclose the issues so they can send someone to fix it. Just make sure to notify them within a month, or they might not take responsibility after the warranty period ends. For those of you at Core Residence TRX who are still looking for fully customized homes or interior design services, you can visit MoKoff. We specialize in custom home solutions and interior design. Plus, we offer exclusive multifunctional furniture designed by MoKoff to meet all your needs. We also have showrooms in other locations. On the 6th floor of Pavilion KL, Bangsar Shopping Center, and Setia City Mall. And recently, nearby Gurney Plaza in Penang.